In this video, I'm going to show you how you can insert a double-sided arrow in your Word document. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, as you can see, I have just done it here. I'll go ahead and delete this to show you how to do it step by step. First, go ahead and open your Word document and click at the specific spot where you want to add the double-sided arrow. For my case, I wish to add it at the beginning here. So I'll click here and then I'll go ahead and click on insert, and from here go to simple. Under this, if you click on simple here, you can see we have options for your symbols. If you can't see your symbol, go ahead and click on more, and here you can see we have quite a number of symbols that you can choose from. As you can see, we have arrows here, so I'll click on double-sided. If you can't see yours, just scroll up and down until you find your symbol that you wish. Once you have selected it, go ahead and click on insert, and you can see we have now our double-sided arrow inserted. Should you not find it, you can also use this subject option here to look for any symbol that you wish and then click on it and choose the specific symbol you wish from this list. So by following these steps, you should be able to insert double-sided arrows in your Word document. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.